Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make a patriotic Ray Dunn inspired little house shelf sitter for our tiered trays. So I had this little wooden house from Michael's, this star stencil from Dollar Tree, this Ray Dunn napkin from TJ Maxx, I believe, and some paints in white, red, and blue, or red, white, and blue. So the first thing I'm going to do is paint the front half of the house and the edges all with the white acrylic paint I had. Once the front and the sides were painted with the white, I'm going to paint the back side with the navy blue paint that I had. Once I had the back all painted with the navy blue and the sides and the other side were all white, I'm going to take that star stencil and I'm going to stencil some stars on the navy blue side. And I'm just going to use the white acrylic paint to do so. Once I have it all stenciled on, I'm going to take the red acrylic paint that I had and a small paintbrush, and I'm just going to do stripes all around the whole edge of the little house. And I'm going to do that around all four sides. I just took it and just did a thin red stripes around the whole thing. And I think this is just turning out so cute already. How cute is that? Next, I'm going to take my Mod Podge and I'm going to Mod Podge the white side of the house. And then I'm going to use my heat gun to let that dry. And I want it to dry fully before I apply my napkin, because we're going to use the iron method. Once I had it all dry, I'm going to take my napkin and I'm going to peel off the layers. So I peeled down 2 layers till I ended up with just the top layer. And then I'm going to cut around once I have it laid out and see where I need it to. Then I'm going to take my parchment paper and I am going to iron that right on where I want it on the sign. Once it's all stuck really well, I'm going to take a sanding block and sand off the excess. And I just got this sanding block at Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to lightly sand the edges. And a little bit of the red paint comes off when you do this on the edges. And that's totally okay. I ended up sanding also the blue side a little bit just to kind of make it match this side. And I really liked the way that it turned out because it kind of gave it like a little bit of a rustic feel. And that is it. I'm not going to add any more to this project. I'm not going to put any bows or anything on it. I think it looks really cute just the way it is. And I think it is adorable. As you can see on the edge, the paint is a little chipped off, which I absolutely love. And this just turned out so stinking cute. I absolutely love it. It was so much fun to make and super easy. And I love the fact that it's double-sided. So from the front and the back, it looks good. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this inspires you to make one. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.